Hey everybody, this is Ashley Cloutier, and I'm here to talk today a bit about the social media plan for McLaughlin's Painting and Property Maintenance, a painting, landscaping, and more company. Let's meet the owner, Kyle McLaughlin. Owner, operator, entrepreneur, 6 years of landscaping experience, 4 years painting experience, 2 years of snow removal lawn mowing contracts, and he's a family man with a girlfriend and 2 children, and they are all lifetime outdoorsmen. As you can see by his resume, he loves to be outdoors, he loves to do things outdoors, and he likes to appreciate it. And a lot of the things that we can do here involve the outdoors. Our mission is that we strive to do everything we can to make your ideas come to life. With knowledge and services and products, we give you the best of the best customer service and the satisfaction of a beautiful job well done. Now, this goes to say that we do have plenty of experience. We do also offer our ideas on certain products to use, what's going to make the job the best for you. Our SWOT analysis. Strengths. Strong employee knowledge in the field. There are several areas of service, not just one. It's more affordable than other companies. Professionalism and quality service. Able to work in several conditions. We have majority of the tools to get the job done. For example, a reliable transportation, ladders, brushes, lawnmower, and snowblower. We're always listening to what you want out of the job and what you want to see as a finished product. We also offer our opinions on projects and any products that are going to be the best to use, and we also have fantastic references. Weaknesses, we are mainly a one-person crew. I myself do help Kyle out once in a while, but I'm not always able to do that. One person means longer job times, which means there are less jobs being completed in the summer busy season. We are not yet insured. That's something that we definitely want to do at this next year's start. Luckily, we have not had an incident yet, but we take responsibility for whatever happens, and we either come to fix it, or if it ever came down to it, we would pay for whatever needed to be done. And then also, sometimes we do have to decline jobs that are too large. For example, if there was a business that, it would take, 3 months for Kyle to do the job alone. Unfortunately, as much as we would love that work, it's just not reasonable for that business owner. Opportunities, weather, some casual networking. We've been able to talk to a few different people who run apartment buildings in Farmington for all the college students, and we've been able to kind of network our way into a few of those different places and get in there, every summer. We know when the paint prices are dropping. We're always looking for good deals for you. And then there's people painting to sell during the non-winter months. Threats, bad weather, illness, competitor prices or deals. Like I said, we are the lowest around. Competitors also have more employees, which means they can finish the jobs faster and take on more than we can. There's also new technology that other people are able to afford. Unfortunately, we don't have some of the bigger items to do the painting, but at a future date, that's definitely something we want to look at. And the last threat would be vehicle issues making getting to and from the job difficult. Our target market is in the Farmington, Maine area and within roughly 50 miles. So, Augusta, Waterville. We're looking for people, anyone from the age of 18 to 80, a homeowner, someone who's busy, someone who's looking for help with their home improvements, either because they don't have time or they don't have the knowledge or skill, and they want to pay a reasonable price for a great job well done. Our first advertising journey came with business cards, of course, right? A way to spread the word and put cards up at local stores and businesses. We've been able to network with several businesses. We've been able to, work side by side with different businesses, and these cards are definitely great for that. Of course, we got t-shirts. We wanted to advertise. We wanted to look professional. We wear the shirts to the jobs, and we also wear them to certain events. Even wearing a t-shirt to a yard sale can bring in potential sales. We were also able to give these shirts to friends and family to help us advertise. We also do have a few signs that we'll put out at the jobs. Say we do a nice landscaping job, we'll put the sign out front for a few weeks so that people can know who did that work. Naturally, our first online source was Facebook. We're able to advertise and show our work as well as contact potential customers. This has been our way to get things moving and our way to keep everyone involved in our everyday projects. So there are a few examples. We do really enjoy doing indoor painting, bathrooms, kitchens, anything you need done, closets, stairs. We also do a great deal of exterior painting. We have a lot of log cabin homes in the area, as well as large farmhouses, which are the ones pictured here. They're some of our greatest work. It takes a lot of time and effort to do these places, and they come out great for, everyone to come home to in the summer. And our landscaping. Landscaping is something that is really, really up and coming. We enjoy getting our hands dirty. We like to be outside, and we like to make things look really nice. So these are just a few of those projects as well, and these are all posted online, and we do continue to post more as we go along. And then also there is the snow blower, a roof that was shoveled, as well as lawn mowing. Not the best pictures, but you get the idea. We do the snow removal, and the lawn mowing, weed whacking, yard pickup, anything like that as well. What will we use? We currently use Facebook for pictures, communication, videos, as well as suggestions, polls, and ideas for clients. Snapchat will show our work and show what's to come. Instagram will post, of course, pictures as well as short how-to videos or suggestive videos involving some of the questions that are frequently asked by our customers. YouTube. While this is not current, we'd like to be setting up a channel to begin doing small how-to videos as well as DIY and projects we're working on. Home improvement, it is a skill, it is a big industry. There's not enough people who do it, but it is nice to be able to do it yourself and have that sense of satisfaction of being able to do what we do at home. This is a sample of the social media calendar. We'll post to Facebook 3 days a week, Instagram and Snapchat twice, and throughout that time we'll also post different polls, videos of things going on in the painting landscaping world. Recommendations. We do need to create a website. We need to also really get into using Instagram to advertise. So that being said, we're going to expand our platform usage. We're going to expand our knowledge and keep current on the trends and share those with you guys. We're also going to follow more closely to the competition, and we're also going to keep track of where people are reaching out to us, where mainly they do reach out via Facebook. We'd like to use these platforms and see where these people are coming from and what we can do to get more customers from those platforms as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, you can find us on Facebook at the link up below. Thank you.